5410 Renwood. You can see we got all this trash out, everything's gotten cleaned out. They're gonna be over here today to really crack, but you'll see that we got all the flooring in. It's really good. We're gonna be very close next week for sure. So you can see all your new floorings in. Here, there's your vanity for the new, I'll show you the bathroom downstairs. We got that repaired, got that going. We're gonna of course take care of it. We have to put quarter rounds here, but you can see all this is put in. So all the flooring, except for the kitchen, is put in. The rest of the flooring's already here to do it. So they just gotta do it. So there's that. You see it really changed the look of the bedrooms. So all this is done, beautiful. Same thing in here. Got to put quarter rounds around the baseboard there, but other than that, you get your plug switches, lights, all new LED. This flooring looks really good. I'll show you this upstairs again, just put it in a video. As you know, this was done last week, but you can see all this is done. So this luxury vinyl really helps us sell this house. And it looks gorgeous. These are big bedroom up here. You got the vinyl windows, plug switches, lights, new plugs and switches. Let's go downstairs, show you what we did down there. I just got off the phone with the electrical panel guy. He's going to be here today, which is Thursday or Friday. He's already has it scheduled. I just want to make sure we're going to get that done. All this is getting painted too and done. The kitchen, the other guys are coming over to start that today. But there was just some stuff we had to get done. So you can see we had to move that. We had to move the drain, this over here, so we can have a vanity. It really is going to look good. And there's your shower pan. You got everything covered. So I wanted, it was over there, but it needed to be over here. So it's going to be a great design. So this will be done, should be close. Probably will be done next week or this week, or your next video. I'm sorry I'm stuttering through that, but that's really looking good. And then, like I said, I just talked to the electrical guy. So he's going to be replacing that today or tomorrow. So I want to give you this update. Everything's going good. We'll put this thing up for sale, but we should very close to being done in it next week. 216-703-5740. I'm Brett, Key Realty. Better properties, exceptional results. Thanks, and have a great day.